Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates, UK, Ireland, Sweden, and New York. Onera Health role System Architect Medical Devices. Education Bachelor's or Master's degree in Electrical Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, or related field. Experience minimum of 8 years in System Architect and Design, preferably within the medical device industry. Location Eindhoven, Netherlands. Striker. Location Limerick, Ireland. Role Senior Engineer, Manufacturing. Qualification Honours Bachelor's degree, Level 8 in an engineering discipline. Experience minimum of 2 years of experience in engineering. Contact the number displayed. Novacure. Location Krakow, Poland. Role Risk and Validation Quality Engineer, Medical Devices. Qualification University degree in a scientific discipline or related engineer, science qualification. Experience minimum of 3 years working as quality engineer in a multinational medical device manufacturing and distribution environment. UL Solutions. Role Junior Project Engineer, Medical and Laboratory Devices. Location Warsaw, Poland. Qualification University degree in engineering. Experience around 2 to 3 years of experience of related work. Contact to the number displayed. RCSI Education and Research Centre, Bowman Hospital. Location Dublin, Ireland. Contract duration specified purpose contract for up to 16 months. Remuneration University Association Research Assistant salary scale subject to skills and experience. MedAx. Location Sutton, United Kingdom. Position Biomedical Scientist, Histopathology. Requirements HCPC registration, degree in Biomedical Sciences. Full UK right to work. Contact the number displayed. Pulse jobs. Role Biomedical Scientists, Hematology or Transfusion. Position Biomedical Scientist. Location London. Hours full time. Duration 3 months. Ongoing. Requirements experience in coagulation, blood film morphology, blood grouping, and antibody testing. Previous experience using Sysmic. The Genesis Intersolutions. Location United Kingdom. Role Biomedical Engineering Services Manager. Requirements UK and Europe driving license. Contact to the number displayed. Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. Position postdoctoral researcher, bioengineering. Location country Dublin. Qualification PhD in biomedical engineering or related field. Experience expertise in biomaterials and cell culture. Application website is displayed. Icon Clinical Research Limited. Position outcomes researcher. Location country Dublin. Qualification PhD in biomedical engineering, life sciences or related field. Experience research experience in health related fields. TTM Healthcare Solutions. Position medical scientists, new graduates. Location North Dublin. Qualifications degree in biomedical sciences or equivalent. Experiences open to new graduates. Apply to the number or contact ID given. NHS Trust. Position Biomedical Scientist. Location Birmingham. Qualification and experience degree in Biomedical Science and HCPC registration. Contract type permanent. You can contact to the website. Medex Healthcare. Position Biomedical Scientist, Band 6 Histopathology. Location Sutton, London, SMP2 5PT. Qualifications and experience HCPC registration and experience in histopathology. Contract type locum, that is temporary. XYZ Medical Research Center. Job title Biomedical Scientist. Location UK. Job type full time permanent. Qualifications BSc, MSc in Biomedical Science or related field. Experience 2 years relevant to the laboratory field. UPMC. Job title Biomedical Technician. Location UPMC, Whitefield Hospital, Waterford, Ireland. Job type permanent. Qualifications biomedical engineering and call to the number displayed. Ergia UK and Ireland Limited, job title Biomedical Engineer, location London, England, qualification Biomedical Engineering, skills excellent customer relationship skills, excellent written and oral communication, good writing knowledge of MS Word Suite, Excel, superior integrity and discretion. Subscribe for further updates.